So, hello, all my angels and Malachi warriors. Um, so, Mellow Yellow, I have had the weirdest day ever. I woke up, didn't really want to wake up, got to work late, I ran a little late getting ready, and I had a little bit of an epiphany today, which is I hate my job. Not this job, not this one right that I'm doing right now. I'm talking about my other job, the one that pays for all this. Um, yeah, I hate it. Unfortunately, I need money. And I'm not getting many views on YouTube to make money. Because nobody is clicking on the links to my little monetized things. So, if you will, please start clicking on the adverts. You don't even have to watch the advert, just click on it and then go back to my video. You know, I mean, that's all you really have to do. Um, but yeah, I hate my job, and hopefully I'm gonna be starting to do more karaoke based videos of me just singing to like instrumental versions of other people's songs, which uh, um, I'm going to admit I won't be allowed to make any money off of them, but I'm hoping that somebody will actually notice me and, hopefully offer me a recording contract or something. I might start going to karaoke contests before too long, just quit my job and do nothing but karaoke. Make money off of that. And you can make real good money if you win some of these things. Um, yeah, but hopefully I'll be able to make a little bit more money eventually. Hopefully I'll be able to get a better job. Or just all of a sudden people start watching my videos and I make money. Anyways, my main channel, if you go to it, I'm going to put a link somewhere in the video or in the description, more than likely. My main channel is gonna look a bit different, so go to that. Link is in the description, and check that out. Tell me what you think. If you're not subscribed to it, well, I meant to put up a trailer, but I couldn't find time today. So let's see, what else did I have? Went to work, ended up late, got my second ride up, get one more, I'm fired. Let's see. Mellow motherfucking yellow. That's pretty much it. I mean, I didn't go to my room and start doing things for my videos like I normally do. I just go in there, think about stuff for my videos, watch other people's videos, and then just come up with something. But I didn't do that today. I ended up falling asleep on the couch. And if you'll notice, things look a little different. That's because I'm in the kitchen. Because my dad, every time he comes home, he has to use my room. Because I don't even have a room. I'm staying in his little man cave. So, oh well, that's it. And I didn't have any quirky, funny things to say today. Hopefully tomorrow will be much better. I mean, my foot is still killing me from today because I was in pain all day. And I haven't gotten a chance to change out my uniform. Oh well. Bye.